Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Wow, what a day today. Have you taken some profits? Are you buying in on the way up, or are you already in and enjoying the fruits of your investments? Absolutely wonderful to see such great news coming out on EV, solar, AI, all that kind of innovative stuff. Really, really good. Jobs down, which means the FOMC is probably going to pause rates. I think that's what we're going to get. And then when we get that, it's showtime, to put it mildly. Okay, so let's get ready to go. We could see a lot of things return to all-time highs, including Tesla, when that happens. Anyway, let's get straight into our live show right now, and let's go through our positions. You can see, you can see my position here is looking good. I'm beating the market quite comfortably right now. My Roth IRA, of course, because Tesla's in there, is up nearly 3%, double what would have made in the S&P. So really, really great. I've hit 54,300. So we're on the way. I was hoping that 55 might happen today, but it still could in this power hour. I think someone just mentioned the power hour, which it certainly could well be. We shall see. It was Niels, I think, who said that. Yeah. So let's hope we'll see a little bit of continuation of this. It's just selling at the moment. That'll be Virgin Galactic, no doubt. Let me have a quick look. Let's go into our positions and let's see who we got here first. Buckaroony, my biggest move today. Ginkgo Bioworks up 25%. Crazy day. He's happy as Larry. Are you selling some? Are you taking some money off the top? What do you think? Damn, brother, that's a lot of computers surrounding you with green color. You might be radioactive by now. Yeah, let's have a quick look around the studio. Yeah, it's a lot of monitors and screens. And in fact, if you look behind me, there are more behind me. If I move out the way, you'll see there's all cameras and different monitors back there as well. I can bring in that spotlight behind me and you'll see a big spotlight on the wall. See it? There it is. Warms up. There you go. There's quite a lot going on behind the scenes as well that you don't see. But yeah, there you go. Pretty good. Let's go back into this position. Yeah, there's quite a lot there, isn't there, I guess? When you see it all moving like that, all the cameras are moving, all on the tracks. And yeah, there's quite a lot. There's quite a lot going on, and it's nice to see it green, no doubt about it. Anyway, let's go through our positions. Congratulations, Buckaroony, Niels. Poor AMC bleeding out. Well, not really. I have no sympathy for AMC bleeding out. It's a rubbish company, and the stock doesn't make any sense. And if you buy it, you're just gambling. So eventually the house wins and the gambler loses. No, I've said repeatedly, you should never buy AMC. You should never buy GameStop. You should never buy Mullen. You should never buy Lucid. All of these companies, Mullen, of course, I've bought, and Lucid. Made money on Lucid, then got out of it eventually. But yeah, these are all rubbish companies. They don't make any sense. People just want to get rich for doing nothing. And that's what it's all about. So anyway, Virgin Galactic, yeah, just pulling off a little bit there. That's what we thought. But still out of the money, not buying anymore, just holding my positions. Palantir, nice to see it go up today. Gold went up, but not much though. Anything under 180 is a buy for me. Nvidia, really good, but I think Nvidia is massively overbought. I really do. I think the hot ticket in town right now is Tesla. Absolutely. I think Mullen proved today that it's useless. On a day like this, Mullen still couldn't make more than 1.5%, set 1.75. Just shows you how awful it is. And I'm down $600. I regard it now as just a throwaway lottery ticket. Wish I'd never bought it. Amazon now, I'm up 34%. Wonderful. Apple, I'm up 9% now on Apple. This is very good. Very, very happy with that. And I can't wait to see Sid come in. I'm waiting for Sid. Donald Trump Road to 2024 is in. Hello there. Fight Channel is in. You were all here before the show, so I can't put your names on the screen. Bill is here. How are you, Bill? Lovely to have you here. Good stuff. Coinbase, what a day for Coinbase because of the Bitcoin ETF, which is not confirmed yet. Everyone's confirming it on on YouTube. It's quite terrible, really. But people are desperate to sell videos. I'm not. I've been putting videos out all day trying to say, no, there's no ETF. It's just likely to happen. But it's not happened yet. Not even close to actually happening. Anyway, Coca-Cola slightly down. Why is Coca-Cola down today? Well, no surprise. It's a source of funds. People steal from Coca-Cola to buy when everything's going down. When everything's going up, they jump on the gravy train. I'm holding my position. I need my dividends coming in. Kenvue, as soon as Sid pops up, I can't wait to share some information with Sid regarding Kenvue. I'm excited to tell him. He's from the Netherlands, right? When he comes in, I'll tell him. Is a bull market coming on here? Is this a bull market? Bright, it's been a bull market all year. A bull market is 2 consecutive quarters. Now, Bank of America said we entered a bull market in June because they look 6 months back. They don't like to predict a bull market. They don't like to see it. Banks don't do those sort of things. They wait for 6 months, 2 quarters to say it's a bull market. It's a bull market. No question about it. We're in a bull market. 2 consecutive quarters up. But the hard part is to say when the bull market started. I said the bull market started in December, way before anybody. And the bull market started in December. I said last month that we should have a pause for the rates, and I now think we're going to get one. Absolutely. We should have had it last month, but the markets are now, the economy's cooling. The jobs numbers were down today. Exactly what we want. The economy's cooling. We don't need any more rate hikes, and we don't need a cut, but we need a pause. And a pause is a green light for the markets because businesses like Virgin Galactic, companies that borrow money, can now know the rates aren't going to go up. Because once you have a pause, the chances are if you hold the pause for long enough, you're going to start coming down. So things are going to get better. It means it's the beginning of the good times. So responsible policy would be not to reduce the rates, but we are due a pause. So I am standing by that. I said it last month that it was there. It should have happened. It's going to happen now. But there's no way the rates are going up. And that's why the markets are up today. That's the only reason. Anyway, so the bull market started in December. And we had the biggest crash since COVID at Christmas. That's when the market started, in December. At the end of December, we started the bull market. There's no doubt about it. I mean, I can show you without any question. Now, obviously, your portfolio might be down. You might have bought some rubbish stock. You might have bought AMC. You might have bought Mullen. You might have bought GameStop. You might have bought Bed Bath & Beyond. You might have bought a load of other things. However, if we look at year to date, here's my actual money. There it is. It's undeniable. Absolutely undeniable. The year to date, this year, from January the 1st, you can see that my portfolio is up 16.95%, $5,500. No question about it. And as you can see, I'm just behind the S&P. And the reason for that is because Virgin Galactic has gone down. Now, if I look at my Roth IRA and do the same thing year to date, it's a different story because I stopped buying Virgin Galactic this year on the Roth and focus on something that makes money, which is Tesla. And if I look at my year to date, there you go. You can see I'm up 9.35 on the Roth IRA. Now, the reason why it's not beating the market is because I started to buy Tesla and I took some profit, which doesn't show in the chart because you took the profit, right? And I bought other things and I bought Tesla on the way down, and we're just starting now to get Tesla to warm up again. So even though I'm up 9.36 this year, which is great, you know, the market is up 12.7. It's not going to take much more, a little bit more, and I will be going past the market and beating the market on year to date because of Tesla. And I'm sure Tesla's going to start to really do well on coming up to this next earnings. If we look at the all-time position, so this started in November when the bull market started. The end of November into December, the bull market started. You can see I started this account. This account was started at the beginning of the bull market. This account, the Roth IRA, was started at the beginning of the bull market. So you can see the S&P is the blue line, and even though we had a little dip, it was still up 2 consecutive quarters. You can see it clearly. I mean, there's no two ways about it. And the only reason why I've dipped at all is the money I lost on Virgin Orbit. If I hadn't lost on Virgin Orbit, I'd be way ahead of the S&P and way ahead of the market. I've learned my lessons now. If a company is losing money, get out. There's no point unless it's gone to nothing, like my Mullen has gone to nothing. Same as my FFIE. That's now just a lottery ticket, nothing more than that. All right, it's just a throwaway lottery ticket. That's all it is. Not based upon anything credible. All right, so let's go have a little look. Virgin Galactic, and we had the biggest crash in Virgin Galactic. He's laughing at Virgin Galactic. I know. Why do we talk about it? There are so many better things. Jim, honestly, if I could sell all my Virgin Galactic today and just buy Tesla, honestly, I mean, there is a very good argument for that now, to be honest. Why bother? Why not just, if you're going to buy innovation, why not just sell Virgin Galactic and just buy Tesla? There's a very good argument for that. And some days I look at it and think, why do I not just sell my Virgin Galactic and just buy Tesla? Because a balanced portfolio is good, and I'm interested in space, and, there you go. Hello, said Stephen Lewandowski. How are you, mate? Let's go for our positions. Palantir, AI, all doing well today. What about Elon Musk's supercomputer taking on now the giants, taking on Google, taking on Amazon, taking on Apple? You know, they're all AI companies. They all invest heavily in AI. Nvidia, of course. What do you think about it? Is it the new, is Tesla now going to steal the limelight? It very well could do that. Very well. It's already doing it though, isn't it? To be honest. Anyway, gold is going up. Nvidia still going up. Blimey. Mullen doing nothing. Up 1.92 on a day like this. It should have done 20% today, because a bull market on steroids, which is what we've had today, should amplify the gamblers, and it hasn't. Even the gamblers don't want to buy it anymore. And it's rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. But there's no point. I mean, I'm down $600. There's no point me selling it for $53. What's the point? I might as well just hold it and throw. I mean, I'm literally throwing away $50. There's nothing left in it. So anyway, the S&P doing much better today. Very nice. Amazon, really good. I'm up 34%. He's 35%. Apple, what a day for Apple. This is actually huge for Apple. If we do the maximum, we are just off all-time highs now. If we look at the all-time high, 196, not that far away from an all-time high. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. Really, really good. It ain't going to take much more to take us to an all-time high. 196. Yeah, we blink and we'll miss it. Space up 35% after the market closed. Why'd you say that, play game? Where'd you get that information from? Or was it just hoping? Sounds optimistic to me, but you never know. Anything's possible, right? Anything's possible. And if that's what you're hoping, I'm hoping with you. All right? All right. I'm hoping with you. Now then, my video has just finished uploading. You're all going, what is he talking about? I'm talking about my wine and my plastic. Wine and my plastic. And I'm going to see who's going to jump in tonight and watch it with me. I've got a premiere. I'm just saying it now. There you go. Press that there. Okie dokie. Right. Okay. Let's. I've got a couple of polls that I have to set up as well, though. I've got a couple of polls, and I'm going to start doing them now, and let's see what you think. Right? Can anyone remember, top of your head? Can you remember the two polls? Because my video has just finished. Can you remember what the polls were? Should we paper or plastic? Was anyone paying attention this morning? Anyone paying attention? Can you remember there was two polls I did this morning? It was should we get rid of should we get is it time? Is it time? Yeah, I'll put it here so you can see what I'm doing. I want you to vote on this. There was two polls, but they got to coincide with my new video. Is it time to get rid of paper money? I wonder if anyone can remember what it was. Paper money for plastic. See video for more information and vote in my poll. And vote in our poll. There you go. Okay, so there we go. Well, this is the video I've just put out. It's going to be out in a few minutes. There you go. And there you go. And so, can anyone remember what it was? There was two. There was voting on paper or I can't remember. Martyn Lucas and Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, I can't remember. Yeah, okay. Time for plastic. Time for plastic only. So do you think we should get rid of cash? Time for plastic only. Keep paper cash. Keep paper money. Keep paper money. There you go. Okay. Time for plastic only and keep paper money. What do you think? I think before the next flight, we're going to see... I'm telling you, I dreamed that it was $103. I love it. Play game. I love it. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. Let's see if it happens. I'm telling you, I dreamed that it was $103. I love this. Space up 35% after the market close. Actually, I bought 200 worth of Mullen the other week at 0.42. Oh, really? At 42 cents. I mean, you can't... Well, yeah, I mean... What can I say about it? As soon as Virgin Galactic reaches 10, I'm getting the hell out, JP Rothschild. I'm just going to stick my dividends, to my dividends, Coca-Cola and Walmart. Nothing wrong with that. I'm telling you, I dreamed that it was $103. I think that before the next flight, we will see 480 and 580. What tells you that? I'm beginning to think this stock isn't going anywhere until 2026. I'm a long-term investor anyway. I'm holding 10 to 15 years in a Citadel. There's nothing wrong with that. Doubt it will play game, but let's hope so. Craig's going, I hope so. I dreamed $42. I actually dreamed 76. Yeah, 76. I dreamed. Voted on the morning news. You voted on the morning news? What do you mean, Stephen? I haven't posted it yet. This is crazy. Yes, it's crazy. Voted on. I haven't even done it yet. What are you on about? How could you vote on the morning's news? I've not even bloody done it yet. What's going on here? Oh my gosh. Right. Okay. I'm going to put the premiere out. Hang on. What have I done there? Right. I'm going to put the premiere out. We're going to all watch it together, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not, it's just the way it is. Right. Here it is. Do you want information? A Trevor Beatty post saying he's on October flight. Do you want info, Martin? A Trevor Beatty post saying he's on... Of course I want information. I voted also. How the bloody hell can you vote? I haven't posted the video yet. I haven't posted the video. Do you want information, Martin? A Trevor Beatty post saying he's on October flight. Who's Trevor Beatty? Who's Trevor Beatty? I've never heard of him. I dreamed XRP making me a billionaire. I dreamed that I'd be at 1 million subscribers. like by next week. I mean, you know, I love it. I love the optimism. I love it. It's brilliant. It's absolutely fantastic. So you're all getting me confused here. I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to focus on what's important here. Set a premiere. What's the day's date? 29th. Right, 29th. It's 20 past 2. So, yeah, 10 past 3. Yeah, 10 past 3. All right. Bloody hell, it's hard, isn't it? It's hard to do this show when I've got you lot as an audience. It's like, you know, it's a flipping nightmare, to be honest. Right. There you go. Oh, my dear God. That'll do. And that's tomorrow's show, isn't it? No, that's no good. There you go. I'll set it to there. There you go. That's what I'm going to do. Right. Okay. Can anyone remember the name of this bloody, what I was doing a poll on? Anyone remember? Play game. We're playing the game. I'm playing the game. I'm right with you. Is the founder list, if the founder list is an accurate order, we may have 2 celebrities on board in December. Craig, send me the list. Bloody hell's right. This is very confusing. Play the game. I didn't even know there was a game going on, but apparently you got to play the game. I didn't even know there was a game going on. Is there a game going on? Is everybody excited because everyone's making... It's because everyone's getting delirious. Money everywhere. I can't cope. I'm like, I can't contain myself. Right? Yeah. We know. Right, my first poll. All right. Is it time to get rid of paper for plastic? See video for more information and vote in our poll. Time for plastic only. Keep paper money. Right. I put the video there. Okay. Right. Post. Okay. I've put the thing up now. Do you want a link to it? I don't know why I'm being so nice to you. I'm only going to it doesn't matter. What's going on? Here you go. Look, here we go. This is the poll. We got the information. Now, some of you said, I don't even want to see the video. You don't even want to see, Mike. Play the game. Play the game is the name and play game. What is going on here? Is there some conspiracy theory going on? There we go. Everyone's gathered together in a secret little room going, we're all going to wind Martyn up today on the show. Right, go and vote on the poll. There we go. Keep paper money. I bet that, you know who that was, right? Who's always first? It's Mike. Mike's not even watched the video yet. He doesn't even know the argument yet. He doesn't even know the flipping argument. So he doesn't even know what he's talking about. So he can't say anything, can he? Right? He can't say anything. Even though he is. Right? Even though he is saying stuff. He shouldn't really. Anyway. Right. I don't know. This has all gone crazy. I love these moments when Martyn just misses the obvious. Is there an obvious thing going on? When I get to 20, I'm going to jump off a bridge so I don't do anything to my feet. When I get to 20, I'm going to jump off a head bridge so I don't do anything. I ain't got a clue what's going on. MSK says, I love these moments when Martyn just misses the obvious. Is it obvious, though? Play game is the new play game. I don't see how it's obvious. I'm hoping Santa Branson gives us the Elon Musk on board for Crimbo. Yeah, that'd be good. Now we're getting back to some common sense. Now we're getting back to what... By plastic money, do you mean cards or polythene notes? Don't be so smart as you are. You know full well. And if you watch the video, which premieres in half an hour, you'll know. Okay? So stop being so clever as you are and pay attention. Right. I've got to find out what this poll was. Okay? Because you're all messing me about. Good morning. It's now time. All right? There's a poll here somewhere. And I'm going to find it because you lot are annoying me now. Right? We've got Halloween. I've even put a skeleton coming out the ground this time. And if this doesn't get views, I don't know what is, right? So I expect... Right, we're going to have a poll. Discord, okay. There's the first poll. Right. Click above my head over there, and I'll put a Twitter poll out, and go to my Twitter and vote on that. Do you think that it's time that we got rid of cash? There you go. There's my first Twitter poll. Going to find out what it is in a minute. You lot are bloody useless. I've just got to find this point. This is the trouble, isn't it, when you're live all the time? You have to sometimes do stuff like this. Oh, dear God. By plastic money, do you mean cards or polythene notes? We are going to be bold like Martyn, waiting for you to come up, waiting for it to come up to $10. Yeah, it might take a while. Hello. Sensei Crypto's here. To destroy this season's on the wall. Sensei, can you remember this morning what my 2 polls were in the video that I put out? I'm having to find out because I got a premiere in like 20 minutes and I haven't put the card in yet. I'm watching a Dutch stream. We'll be back. I'm watching a Dutch stream. We'll be back soon. What do you mean you're watching a Dutch stream? What exactly do you mean by Dutch? I'm watching a Dutch stream. We'll be back soon. Yeah, make sure you come back, right? Because it's not always as entertaining as this. All right? Oh, my gosh. Right, let's go through our positions. Look, Virgin Galactic's falling back down. Palantir's holding up. We're going back up again. Gold's going up again. Nvidia's moving again. Mullen going absolutely sideways. Look at the S&P. Good. Amazon. Apple about to hit a new all-time high. They'll be celebrating down there at Apple. You wait and see. Next year at Energy, I thought it would have done better than this, but I'm still holding for the dividends anyway. Coinbase, a great day. Enphase Energy, finally getting something out of this, but a long way to go though. Coca-Cola, J&J. I'm waiting for Sid to come in. I need Sid to come in because I've got some news for Sid. Kenview, doing all right now since I've owned it. I think I bought it around about, no, was it August? Hang on, when did I buy it? Yeah, I got it here on August 18th. So I should be up. It's just not showing yet. Total return, it says here, it will be available soon. It's not available right now. Nothing is entertaining. Nothing, no, you're right. You're right there, mate. Oh, yeah, that's it. Should airlines be sued? Flipping heck. Look at the sort. This is the sort of stuff that I do for you in the background. You've got no idea. Look, I'm editing this. Who's going to watch this in a minute? Look, I've got a little airplane here. Or do you think they should be sued? What do you think about that? They only put the price up anyway. They'll just make it back another. All right. Right. There you go. So there is that. Okay. So I've got to put the poll out now. I'm getting people vote on the poll. It doesn't even exist yet. People are voting on the poll. They've not even watched the video. Now, this morning, only 30% of you said you liked my video. Only 30% you said, I don't like these news videos. Now, tonight, we're going to premiere it straight after this show. We're all going to watch it live. By God, we're all going to watch it. And you're all going to bloody well like it. You're all going to put thumbs up and say you like it. I don't care if you don't like it. You just say you are. Okay, you just pretend, right? Because you're all voting on my poll and you've not even watched the video. You don't even know what it's about yet. You think you do because you saw it this morning, but you didn't actually see it because you've not seen all the little bits and bobs. You don't know. You don't know. So, think on, people, right? Okay, here we go. This is another question in that video. You say how hard I work. I tried to link the videos to link it. It's called Synergy. Synergy of videos. I just made that up. Synergy. Should we sue? Is that right? How do you do? Should the airlines be fined for flight delays, even if it's not their fault. All right. I mean, should they? Should the airlines be fined for flight delays, even if it's not their fault? I just want some free money. Bankrupt the airline. You know, I just want some free money. See video for more information. All right. And I'll put the video. Look, this is the video you're all going to watch in a minute. This is the world premiere of the videos that none of you apparently like. All right. No, apparently no one likes it. See the video for more information. All right. Okay. Please. I also, do you know, have you noticed I always put please vote in our poll. So get rid of that because you can't have a picture if you do a poll. Yes. Fine the airlines. Yes, fine the airlines. No. Be nice. No, be nice. No, be nice. It's not their fault. Oh. No, be nice. You can't fit that in. No, be nice. Yes, fine the airlines, or no, be nice. There you go. Okay. Right. There you go. So, post. Okay, there's two. All right. Send now. Now, you don't know what the discussion is yet. You don't know. You've no idea. Okay. So you should actually be waiting to see the video before you actually comment on all of this. But, no one pays any attention to me. You can vote if you want. Right, let's have a little look. SpaceX job questions. Virgin Galactic or space? Space. Oh, is that what you voted on? Oh, that's from yesterday's. That's what you were talking about. Now I know. I would be curious to know which YouTuber has devoted the most hours of their life to YouTube. That's easy. That's easy. There ain't no doubt about it. No one else is as bloody stupid as me. No question. SpaceX job question. Yeah. Oh, hang on a minute. So let's have a look. You voted on that, did you? All right. Okay. Let's have a look. SpaceX. Let's have a look. Apparently people have been voting on that. I didn't realize you meant that. Okay, let's have a look. I'm gonna say, let's have a look. Scroll down. How far is it down here? Oh, there we go. Oh, here we go. 21 votes. All right. Should I get a job at SpaceX, stop Elon clowning around, or sort the marketing department at Virgin Galactic? Learn more from the video, then vote. Can you see where it says, then, if I point, then vote in the poll? Don't just vote in the poll. Watch the video, which I've painstakingly made for your entertainment and delight. Watch the video, then answer the question. And I'm glad that Mike and Stephen Lewandowski are now playing a part. And apparently, 85% of you said I should get a job at SpaceX. Was there another question? Yeah. Would you like to be able to repair your own iPhone? 20% yes, 20% no, and 60% I don't know. That's why you don't. That is why Apple can abuse you. That's why Apple can charge you whatever they want. I don't know. Well, do you want to repair your own iPhone or not? We can make it so you can repair your own iPhone. I don't know. 20% no. 20% no. But 60% don't know. Undecided. Thanks for your votes. I appreciate it. Can't believe only 5 of you voted, but don't worry about that. At least someone's paying attention. Right. I voted. Now I understand what you're talking about. There's a poll for you. There's a poll for you. Is Mullen Automotive a real company or fake? Or is David Mitchery a fan control from an outside force? What's he from? Is he an alien? There's a poll for you. Is Mullen Automotive a real company or a fake? Or is David Mitchery fan control from an outside force? Oh my God, that's good. I like that. And there he is. How's it going, Rocket Man? I met Elton John's cousin at my gig on Saturday. Did you? He met Elton John's cousin at his gig on Sunday. That's very nice. Very nice, Sam. Was you excited? I couldn't believe it. And she is sending some photos off to the man himself of me. Elton meets Elton. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this is happening. This is amazing. When Elton John gets the pictures, all right, I hope he phones you up. And if he phones you up, right, I want you to record the phone call. I want to hear it, all right? Seriously, don't mess it up. Don't mess it up for me, Sam. I need it. I voted on Twitter. Now I understand what you're talking about. I didn't understand what you were saying at the beginning. I was just confused. It doesn't take much, but I was confused by it. Right? Now then, I'm going to make an amendment now. We've got 20 minutes to go. We're having a bit of a laugh this afternoon because everyone's making money, right? Everyone's excited, right? So what we're going to do, this video, whether you like it or not, is going to go directly to the premiere at the end. You can't stop it because I'm in charge. It's my video. It's my show, and I'm doing it. So I'm going to do it right now. So when this video ends, I've already done it. You don't even know it's happening, right? At the end of this video, definitely, and I'll mention you about your jacket as well, and see if he remembers. Yes, he won't remember. He won't even paying attention. The iPhone will never work again if I repair it, says Stephen Lewandowski. Yeah, well, I'm glad you voted for it. What did you put? I don't know then. Did you put undecided? Definitely, says Sam, I'll mention it. Or is David Mitchell being controlled from somebody else, better known from an outside force? Well, I don't know about that. Look, Dave Mitchell, if you look at his information, he's taken loads of companies down the toilet. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's making money, doesn't care about the investors. It's quite obvious. It just needs to be said. We all know what's going on with Mullen. It is a complete and utter scam. I can't believe it gets allowed to be on the SEC, but the SEC don't care. They're no bloody good, are they? Anyway, did you get your Kenview back? Yes, and even better than did I get my Kenview back, I've got dividends with it as well. I've been waiting. I didn't want to say anything until Sid got here, but now you've asked me. My video, my show. Typical Martin. Me. Exactly. Self. All about you. Yeah. And not only is it all about self, me, and all the rest of it. Not only that, on top of that, just to rub it in, to make it even worse, right? Just to make it even worse, not only is it me, self, I'm also going to give you, whether you like it or not, you ready? Here it comes. I'm going to make it sound bigger than it really is, but it's not an exaggeration. It's not. It sounds grand, but it isn't. It's the world premiere. It is a world premiere. No one in the world has seen it, and now the whole world has the potential to see it. So it is a world premiere. Let's be honest. When the world premiere goes on in the Chinese theater in Hollywood, right? Not that the whole world don't see it, just the same. So it's no different. So when Tom Cruise makes a film and when I make a film, it's a world premiere, but the whole world doesn't see it, right? Well, my world premieres are the same. The whole world don't see it. Same thing. Right. Now, not only am I going to put it in the chat, see, Tom Cruise don't do this. Not only I pin it. See that? It's pinned to the top. It's a pin. Now, none of you can miss it. Now, none of you in the world can miss my world premiere. Tom Cruise can't do that. Just saying. Okay, random question or stupid question, but it is, but it is. I don't know. The same as I don't know. Is the same as I don't know the same as I don't know? No. It's completely different, you crazy bloody entertainer. I don't know means no in the term of understanding. That's what I don't know means. You don't know means you don't understand. You're not aware of something related to the don't know. Whereas I don't know means nothing. Doesn't make sense, because no means no as opposed to yes. So what you're saying is I don't know. That doesn't make sense. There's no sense in I don't know. No, because basically what you're saying is I don't know. I don't, the opposite of yes. So the answer to your question, and I can't believe you put this now in front of the world. This is why you're an entertainer and not an English teacher. This is why you wear a wig and glasses, whereas you don't entertain kids. This is why you don't educate kids and stuff, because you'd be rubbish at it, right? So, just so the whole world can get another look at that. Is I don't know the same as I don't know? No, it's completely different. When I said no, it's different. That's no, it's different. Not I know something as a fact. Does that all make sense? You don't get this anywhere else, do you? The SEC could, yeah. Gary Gensler absolutely is being absolutely ridiculed now. There's no question. He's losing every argument. He's looking increasingly more silly as every day goes by. Gary Gensler is completely and utterly irrelevant. He has a position in the SEC. He has a position now, and he's completely irrelevant. Who have we got speaking at today's meeting? Gary Gensler. Really? Was Elon Musk not available? Was anybody available? Martyn Lucas was available. He's a bit busy though with his YouTube show, but he was available. Technically, he could have cancelled it. He's got a very forgiving audience. But so can we get Martyn Lucas? Unfortunately, he doesn't want to speak if Gary Gensler was invited first. He doesn't want to be a substitute. So we got Gary Gensler. That's going to be great. It's going to be great. This guy, no one knows what he's talking about. He doesn't know what he's talking about himself. Anyway. Disliked, unsubscribed, and mass reported. Oh my God, look at this clown. Disliked, unsubscribed, and mass reported. Oh dear. Edward Penguin. Yeah, with a name like that, I don't know what we're going to do. Edward Penguin has come on in and said, disliked, unsubscribed, and mass reported. Good for you. Well done. I'm going to just hide user from the channel. There you go. I've done the same thing. I've made you disappear. Clever, innit? God. You get these people, don't you? Unfortunately, in the world, there are such people who exist. I don't know why they exist, what the point is, but they do. And there you go. It certainly did. So yeah, stupid question. I would stick to Elton John if I was you, Sam. I would like to know what Edwin Penguin actually reported me for. I don't like this YouTube channel. Fine, watch something else. I don't particularly think you're very clever either. I don't approve of it. I unsubscribed. Well, guess what? I don't subscribe to you either. So we're even so far. And I mass reported. What would be the reason? What would be the process in this person's mind? I'm going to report this person to YouTube. For what reason? I don't know. I'm going to make one up. Well, I don't like the way he talks to people. I don't like his jokes. I don't like him talking about Gary Gensler, because Gary Gensler's my dad. I don't like that. And I don't really know what the process of his mind would be. Anyway, MSK says, you what, mate? It's harder to spend money if it's paper money in your wallet. It's harder to spend money if it's paper money in your wallet. I agree with that. We have lost respect for money because of card transactions. I agree. If you've got $50 in your pocket, a whole $50, or a £50 note, it seems a lot of money, right? And I agree with you. It seems a lot of money. And you're not likely to want to spend it, right? Whereas if you got a card, you just swipe it all day long. I agree with that. I think you're right there. But I would rather have digital banking because banking card, but don't trust the control. No, let me just tell you, right? This is what I do. And I've got a lot of experience of this, probably more than most, if I'm honest. I use a credit card to pay for absolutely everything. and I set the auto pay at the end of the month. So I never pay any charges, never pay any fees, would never have a bank account, would never use a debit card because then you give access to my bank account. I don't want to do that. I give access to somebody else's money, the credit card's money, right? So my money is never at risk. I earn points for doing it because they charge the vendor. So the vendor pays a fee. So I end up getting a bit of that. So I end up getting cash back. The bank's always given me free money because I do that. And it builds my credit. I've got a perfect credit score in the US and a perfect credit score in the UK. Not because I've got a lot of money, because I haven't. You've seen how much money I've got. But it's because I use credit, but I always pay it off. I don't buy anything that I can't pay for. If I haven't got the money in the bank right now or on Robinhood to send to my bank right now, I don't buy it. It's as simple as that. And when Robinhood bring their credit card out, I'm just going to use their credit card instead of the bank. And I won't even have a bank account. There's like no point. I don't know why. And the other thing is, this is what I meant about experience, right? There's been several incidences in my life that I've been around the world and I've been on Wi-Fi because I've been traveling. I've had no cell phone service. I've been on Wi-Fi and I've paid for things. I've been on my online banking and I've been hacked. I've been hacked while sat in a Wi-Fi in a cafe. And where I remember this particular story, I was in Waldshut in West Germany, and I was in a place where I was playing the piano for a while. I was on tour, right? And I was drinking my tea, and I was in the coffee shop, whatever you like, the tea room, whatever. And I was online, and someone in the room that I was in had hacked into my phone and hacked into my device and was taking small amounts of money out of my bank. And I could see it because I was online. I could literally see it. It was like $1.50, $3.20, $1.50, $3. Oh, what the hell is all this? And after a few minutes, it started to ramp up, like $20. They were buying stuff. They were on like a German Amazon buying stuff, all right? And they somehow hacked into my card. And it was very distressing. It was very distressing at the time. I was like, oh my God. But I called the bank. I called fraud control, whatever. They stopped my card, right? But you have fraud guarantee. And all the money within 24 hours was back in my account. And that person, that IP address was chased down. They probably never got them. They probably didn't do anything, whatever. But the point is, you can shop with confidence, right? The money gets put back. Now, it's inconvenient. It's inconvenient, let's be honest, because, it's inconvenient because for a while, you've got no credit card and you're disrupted. But, have another bank account, have another credit card. You just carry on as normal. And you'll get sent the new card and everything's fine. So always use a credit card and have a couple of credit cards. So for me, I've got one at the Bank of America, I've got one at Chase, and I will have soon, hopefully, Robinhood, and I've got my UK credit cards, right? So I can always access money. So I've got my favorites. I want to shop where I get the most points, right? But, if anything happens, not a problem. I've got a backup. I know it's horrible, but you get your money back. So never use a debit card for anything. There's no sense in that. There's no protection there. And don't worry about it. But, yeah. So, anyway. Penguin waddle off, says Sam. Yeah. Evidence. Yeah, evidence of what? I meant the world digital card that hasn't come out, hasn't come yet, but definitely will. I meant the world digital card. What is that? The world digital card. Tell me all about it. I've not heard much about it yet. Right, we've got 9 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're holding up. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. Palantir's going back up again. Gold still going up. Nvidia just trimming off a little bit. No surprise. Mullen. We've discovered today that Mullen is the worst stock you could possibly buy because it should be up today and it's not. The S&P is up. Amazon is up today. I mean, look at it. Amazon is $140 a share and it's up 1.37. Whereas Mullen is all about popularity. Everyone should be thinking, hey, and it's down today when it's only 59 cents. It should be up like $1 today. It should be up like 100% today on a day like this, and it's not. So it just goes to show, doesn't it, that there's no hope for Mullen, in my opinion. This was the Edwin Penguin channel. I wanted to see what it was. Nobody. Just it's a brand. When was this channel made up? Let's have a look. Joined January the 20th. Joined this year. Can always tell. No information. No, doesn't follow anyone. Doesn't have any videos, and no information. And joined in January 20. Just wanted to see who this Edwin Penguin was. Yeah, just joined just to go around annoying other channels. Anyway, Niels, hello. Does anyone use Amazon? Yes, I do. That's what I use for Amazon, because I get 5%. Is it 5% cash back? I think it's 5% on Amazon products. I can't get that good on my Bank of America cash card. 5%, yeah. I use my Amazon Visa to buy everything on Amazon. You'd be crazy not to. You get 5%, and then I pay it off at the end of the month. That's through Chase. That's why I have a Chase bank account. World digital currency card equals XRP. Woo! Says MSK. MSK is going, I can't wait for it. Well, hang on a minute. Calm down. What's the benefits? I get 5% on my Amazon card. I get 3% on my Bank of America. And as soon as Robinhood comes out, ooh, wait for it. So, before we get all excited by the XRP card, what am I going to get? I mean, basically, whoever gives me the best deal is whose card I use. Because that's it. That's all I do. Mullen will hit $1, and then I'll sell for a 58% profit. I hope so, Buckaroony. I really do. I don't see it, though. I think Mullen is now finished. It can't split anymore. It can't do another reverse split. It's just done it. And remember, we've only got a couple of weeks at this level, and it has to do a reverse split to stay on the stock exchange. Otherwise, it's delisted. So we've got a couple of weeks left for this to remain at this level, or it's being delisted. They surely can't split it again. I mean, how many times have we done this now? I mean, in a minute, there's going to be like one share for the whole company. Whoever owns the one share has the whole company. It's getting beyond a joke. You can buy the whole company now for 111 million. Now, if some of you are saying, yeah, but that's still quite a good company, 111 million is absolutely zero for a publicly traded company. Absolutely zero. And remember, the factory alone. Think how much a factory is. Just think about that, right? 100 million. Most houses today in this area, I don't know, most 500,000, 250,000. Most houses, all right, in the Western world are probably worth a couple $100,000. Some a lot more, some a lot less. But it's not many houses, is it? And that includes the factory. Includes all the cars, the vans, the business, the cash, if they've got any cash. I mean, 111 million for a publicly traded company. It's not very much money, is it? Anyway, all the banks are becoming one world banking system, which I believe will be a one and only account that only you can have. However, they will issue the digital way of buy and sell. Nice one, Mike. Here we go. Edwin Penguin joined because he realized he hasn't got anything going for him, so he decided the troll path. Yeah, that's what happens. I have no clue what the difference between cryptos are. I just blindly invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Niels, that's why we have Sensei Crypto, isn't it? That's why we have Sensei Crypto. I'm the same. I study it, but I still don't understand it. No, I don't get it. right? That's what Sensei's for. Sensei lives and breathes on the crypto world. He studies it like when he should be asleep, all right? He lives on it. And he tells me and all the members here who are on the crypto challenge what to buy, when to buy it. And that's what I do. I blindly buy it. Now, you should never do that, of course. You should do your own due diligence. However, he provides that service, and that's what I do. I absolutely 100% follow him. In fact, I did a little bit naughty, really. I did one thing wrong. There's one thing I did do that he didn't tell me to do. MSK, you'll like this. Guess what I did? You know that cash that we're holding in the cash, the $500, I spent it. I bought XRP when it went down. I used it. And it's my money, innit? I do what I want. But he told me now, he said, can you put the $500 back? You can transfer the XRP out so it keeps the balance of what I'm doing for you. But you need to put 500 back in the cash. And yeah, I got all excited about what you were telling me with XRP, so I bought some. That's why I've got $1,000 of XRP. I'm going to get very rich when XRP goes up. Oh yeah, let me tell you. So anyway, that's I got told off. So that's what I did. So I haven't followed the plan. Anyway, I've gone off the well-treaded plan or whatever you call it. All right. Anyway, I cheekily stole free advice from Sensei. Did you? Naughty boy. You stole some free advice. Right. We got a minute to go. Time to ring the bell. You ready? Time to ring the Sensei bell. Well, you should reward me first, because I'm the one who brought you Sensei. Don't bother with Sensei. Me. I'm the one who brought you to him. Don't worry about Sensei. Sensei's alright. It's me who needs the help. I'm the one who needs the bloody help. Right, here we go. You ready? Just kidding. He knows all about it. Right, here we go. I'm not kidding, though. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not like you. I don't know what I'm talking about. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. You too can sponsor the bell for $10 a day. You can sponsor the bell for $10 super chat. Put your name on it. Oh, yes. And a link to your website or link to your thing and a jiggery woo, whatever you like. Now then, our friend said Virgin Galactic's going to go up 35% after the bell. Well, he's right so far. It's gone up 0.19. It's going in the right direction. It's going in the right direction. So it's exciting. We're holding our breath. We're looking forward to it. You ready? Okay. We're looking forward to it. We shall see. We shall see what happens. But before any of this excitement, before any of it, we're all now about to go over to the world premiere. It's just like the same as Tom Cruise does a world premiere. The whole world doesn't go. No. Just a bunch of people. Well, you are those bunch of people. You are selected. You are very unique and original and special. You are selected to join me for the world premiere. Here he is. It's Raphael. He's back from his bloody holiday. About flipping time. Raphael, I've been here working every day. Here he is, Raphael Marquis from Portugal. He's back. Or is he currently on holiday? Thought, I'm bored of holiday. Holiday's rubbish. Holiday's rubbish. I want to call into the show. I want to be on the show. Here he is. All right, here he is. Look at our portfolio. We're loving it. We're loving it. Right? So anyway, getting back to what's important, my world premiere. Oh, hang on. Hang on a minute. Tesla in the after hours. Look at what's going on here. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Rolling, rolling, rolling. What's going on? Let's pay attention. Pay attention. Nvidia is going back up. Mullen, it's going down. Everything's going up. Mullen's going down. How can this be? I'll tell you how it can be. It's a flipping joke. That's how it can be. Next Era Energy. Coinbase. Enphase. Coca-Cola. Look at this. Coming on to Tesla in a second. Kenvue. Where was Sid when I needed him? There you go. Tesla. We're now up again. 257. Up 7.69 during the day, and it's going up in the after hours. Let's have a look at the comments. Did I miss a few comments? Here we go. Me. Here we go, Martin. I need for free. Yeah, for free. Up 6.88. Hello, Raphael. He came in. Hello, mate. There he is. Martin. Yes. What do you want, MSK? Unless you're rich, you're really young, nobody should be buying anything but Ethereum and Bitcoin inbound. That makes no sense. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that at all. I don't agree with that. Raphael, congratulations with Tesla. If you still had any, how is everyone? We're all well, Raphael. Much better to see you, mate. Raphael, we're waiting for this moment. Raphael was waiting for this moment. He's been lurking. 130 shares. 130 shares. Oh my God, I was excited. I got 25. Damn it. He's got 130 shares. Raphael. 130 shares. Can you believe it? 130 shares he's got. Congratulations. Oh yeah. I would love 130 shares. I would love 130 shares, I tell you that. But I'm never going to have 130 shares. I would love 130 shares. Raphael, crazy. Well done. Thanks. Thank God I have warrant calls on Tesla. Hey, let's go, guys. Raphael, let's go. Let's go. Well, you can. You can. The rest of us, mere mortals, right? We've got 1 or 2 shares. Leah's got 1. She's happy with her 1. I've got 22, and I was excited until Raphael come on and said I got 130. Now I'm not happy anymore. I got 44. Look, Buckarooney's making me feel bad now as well. Buckarooney's, see? 44 shares. I'd be happy with 2. See? Yeah. I understand, Niels. I feel really poor in here. Don't worry, Leah's only got 1. Some people haven't got any. Sensei hasn't got any. Sensei's got none. So let's get that straight. Sensei has got none. Enphase is going up in the after hours. Satai, let's have a look. I know. Let's have a look. Looking. 235 Palatine. 235? I got 8. You're really rubbing this in, aren't you? He's enjoying himself. He is. Enphase. I got to talk to somebody else now. Raphael's taking over the place. He's got 235. He's got 235 in bloody Palantir. We got some very rich people here today. Very rich people. Making us look bad. But Enphase Energy, yeah, that's also doing well today. 130. It's a 4-year work buying every month. Well, Raphael Marquis, you deserve it, mate. You deserve it. Congratulations to you. You are in a fantastic position. Fantastic position because the supercomputer today and the AI, you have got something which is probably going to 6 to even 10x in the next 10 years. Imagine whatever you've got now times 10. Oh my God. Seriously, mate? You can sell 1 share of Tesla every year for the rest of your life and that's your pension. Brilliant. In fact, you could do more than that because you're not going to live, what did you say you got? 100, was it 230 or 130, whatever? You're not going to live for 130 years. You could probably say about 10 a year. Right. Okay. It's time to go. We got a world premiere. I have 100,000 shares. Oh, wait. Sorry. I've got 100,000 of everything. Right. Yes, I don't have any. See, Sensei's been lurking as well. Sensei, how come you're lurking? How come you're lurking in the background? We've had stuff going on here. We had Mr. Penguin come in here. Yeah. He says, I disliked, I reported, and I unsubscribed, and we all went, ooh. Wish you the best, Raphael. Remember us in Dubai. Yeah, remember us. Remember us in Dubai. MSK. I have none at the moment, like Sensei. See, Nonny's like the rest of us. I've only got none. It was not now. Don't worry, Satay. It's okay, mate. I can afford 235 Mullen shares. Me too. I'm right with you there, Niels. Buckaroony, I've got 3,000 Ginkgo shares and I'm debating whether to sell now. Take some profit, mate. Why not? Guys, we can do it. Buy every month. Well, you got to earn some money to buy it, though. Sensei's come in, disliked, reported, and unsubbed. Who'd you report me to? Oi, hang on, I got to go. I can't believe this. Right, you know what's happening now? It's way too exciting. Look. Oh my gosh. Now then, we've got 2 polls. 2 polls you got to vote on, right? There it is. Right, who's coming to the premiere? This video is going to go right there, right? It's going to go right there, right? We're going to be right there in a minute. Everyone's got to watch it because this morning I did a poll on it and I had people going, I don't like it. I don't like the breaking news. I'm not interested in it. So I thought, right, make a funny one. Right? Make a funny one. And that's what I decided to do. So here's the world premiere. You're going to like it whether you like it or not. All right? So here we go. We got to go because the world premiere starts in 60 seconds. Right? Hang on. Let me give you the link. There's the link to the world premiere. It's a world premiere. The whole world can see it. Right? So that's what world premiere means. Right, you ready? Let's get out of here. There's no point rolling the credits. No one's done anything. And we're not doing day trader of the day. We're going straight to this. We're going straight to this. So what we're going to do is we're all going to watch this. Do you want to come back up? Should we all come back after that? No, we won't. I've got to do some other work, right? I can't just be sitting talking to you lot all night. You should consider a YouTube channel as well, Raphael. Don't tell him that. He won't have time to come in and watch mine. Niels, keep your nose out of it. He doesn't need a YouTube channel. He's got one to watch. He doesn't need a YouTube channel. Don't go and tell him stuff like that. Right, ready? This is going to start in a second. The moment this starts, I'm going to end this and we're all going to go here. And then you're going to vote on the poll. Right? You're going to vote on the poll. Because that's the rules. Right? Okay? So, think on. Right. That's gonna when that starts, we all go. Right? It hasn't started yet. Right? Oh, hang on then. Right, that's it. Time to go. Right, everybody. It's time to go. I will see you back right now on this world premiere. All come and join me. Are you ready? I'm gonna keep you on suspense for the next couple of seconds because the music hasn't ended yet. Everyone's got to jump in. You ready? Okay, ready? We're waiting. The suspense. I want to time it perfectly with the music. Because I'm a professional, right? I'm a professional. Okay, ready? That to here. It's going to be perfect. As the music ends, you're all going to go down cyberspace. You're all going to join me for my world premiere. I'm poor on paper, guys. Hey, tell me about it, mate. We're all poor on paper. There's 8 people watching. I've got a massive audience. It's a global sensation. There's 8 people already. Look, I've got 5 likes. Look, I'm a global sensation. Right, ready? Doobie doobie. Here we... Was that perfect timing or what? There you go. That was better. I just thought I'd fool you. Come and join me now. See you back in the morning. Bye-bye for now.